Hello! Thank you for joining my profile video. My name is Philip and I speak English, Portuguese, Spanish, Galician, and I translate or interpret all those languages into my native tongue, which is French. My area of expertise is medical.
What's your name? We're losing context!
I also offer CAT tool training, especially in connection with WordFast tools, and I also help with TM and glossary management with tools such as WordFast Server or others, and I help also with MT deployment with tools such as Intento. I also manage WordFast academic program and I host this YouTube channel, Translators Tech Corner. If I can be of assistance to you, please contact me on my profile at prose.com.